Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I want to show you 10 tips and tricks for WhatsApp which will be quite useful while working from home in 2021. So the first tip here is pinning conversation. This will basically pin your important conversation to the top of your WhatsApp chat window. You can pin important conversation on an iPhone by swiping to the right and then pressing the pin icon. On an Android, you need to long press on the conversation and then press the pin at the top of the screen. Tip 2. Starring messages. This will star important messages in your conversation and will store it in a starred message section. This way you can find all your important messages in one place. You can star a message within a conversation by long pressing on a message and then pressing the star option. This works the same way on an Android phone. Tip 3. Make your text bold. If you ever want to bold your typed out messages, then just add a star before and after your words, and your message will be bold. Tip 4. Strike through your text. To strike through your text, add a wiggly character before and after your words. Tip 5. Make your text italics. To make your text look italic, you need to put an underscore before and after your words. Tip 6. Enable Touch ID on WhatsApp. This will make your WhatsApp more secure and will protect your messages from others. Tap on Settings, then tap on Account, then Privacy. Scroll down and find Screen Lock on iPhone. If you are on an Android, then find Fingerprint Lock on the same place and then enable the feature. Tip 7. Enable two-factor authentication for WhatsApp. This will keep your account and message secure on WhatsApp. Once you set up two-factor authentication, no one can set up your WhatsApp account on another device without a PIN. Once you enter your PIN, then you're able to set up your WhatsApp account on any device. To set up your two-factor authentication, you need to go to Settings, Accounts, then Two-Step Verification. Then tap on Enable and follow the on-screen instructions. This will require your email address for PIN recovery purpose if you forget your PIN. Tip 8. Change font size for your conversation. Unfortunately, on an iPhone running WhatsApp, there is no font size option, so you need to change this font size option via the iPhone settings. Tap on Settings, then Accessibility, then Display and Text Size, and then tap Larger Text. Move the slider to make it smaller or larger. Just beware, this will affect other apps as well. On an Android, you need to go into the WhatsApp settings, then tap on Chats, then tap on Font Size. Tip 9. Making messages unread. This is quite useful if you're snooping on your partner's WhatsApp messages. On an iPhone, once a message has been read, the blue dot next to the contact will disappear. To make it unread or to make that blue dot appear, swipe to the right on the contact and tap on Unread. This will bring back the blue dot. On an Android phone, you want to long press on the contact and then tap on the three dots at the top right of the screen, then tap on Mark as Unread. Tip 10. Disable read receipts. This feature is quite useful from a business point of view. If read receipts is enabled, the person sending the message can see the 2 blue ticks once you have read his or her message. This then pressures you to reply back as soon as possible. When it is disabled, this does not give any indicator if the message has been read or not. You will just see the 2 gray ticks. To disable this, you need to go into Settings, Accounts, Privacy, then scroll down and toggle the switch for Read Receipt. And there you go, those are the top 10 tips and tricks for WhatsApp which will be quite useful while working from home in 2021. Hope you guys found this useful. If this video helped you out, then please like this video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.